Okay, Miss Emma. Oh, hi! I was on my way back after meeting Miss Emma. Hey, don't you remember Miss Emma? Yes, our teacher. She is very impressed with your performance in the last session. She said you're very creative and a fast learner. I'm so happy for you. Since you're very creative and a fast learner, I thought I'd share some fun facts regarding the numbers. Did you know that 4 is the only number that has the same number of letters in its name as its meaning? Let's count and check. F-O-U-R. See? 4 has 4 letters in its name. That's amazing. Now, let's look at the number 7. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Beautiful. Now, you know the fun facts about the number 4 and 7. Wanna know more? Well, I will be telling fun facts about a few more numbers in today's session. So, stay alert, little friend. We set a background, added Miss Emma and finally added the numbers from 1 to 10 to the background. Today, we will be adding 10 different characters to hide the numbers from 1 to 10, which were placed in the classroom background in the previous session. We will be adding some of the characters directly from the character list of Scratch Junior and also will be creating some using the paint tool. I'm sure you're very excited to start today's session. So, without wasting time, let's start. Let's open Scratch Junior. Click on the home icon and then click on the project we started in the previous session. Let's have a recap on what we created in the previous session. Click on the full screen icon on the top of the stage. Ta-da! So in the last session, we set a classroom background and added the teacher Miss Emma. Then we created numbers from 1 to 10 and placed them in different positions in the background. Our game is to find the hidden numbers. So, in today's session, we will be adding the characters to hide the numbers from the background. Click on the exit full screen icon on the top left corner of the screen to exit the full screen mode. Let's start by creating characters that are supposed to be placed above the number in such a way that they remain hidden in the background. Let's go in an order. First, we will be hiding the number 1. Number 1 is placed on a yellow triangle color paper. So, let's create a character which has a triangular shape and is yellow in color. Click on the plus sign on the left to open the character list. Click on the blank character and click on the paintbrush tool. Now, click on the triangle shape on the left and click on the yellow color from the color available. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the triangle. To fill the color inside the triangle, click on the Fill Color tool on the right. Since the yellow color is already selected, click inside the triangle to fill in the color. We have created a yellow triangle, but the yellow triangle color paper was upside down. So, we need to rotate the triangle. Click on the Rotate tool on the right. Click Drag and rotate the triangle towards the left. Our triangle is almost complete. Click on the white text box and delete the text character using the delete key or backspace key on your keyboard. Type the name of the character as yellow triangle. Click on the tick button. Now, let's place the triangle above the yellow triangle color paper and the number 1. Click and drag on the triangle we created and place it right here. See, the number 1 is now hidden from the background. Now, we can move on to the next number, number 2. In the classroom background, 2 is positioned right below the bus poster. Let's add a new toy character over there. Shall we? Click on the plus sign on the left to open the character list. Let's go through the different characters available in Scratch Junior. What about selecting this car character? It's good, right? Click on the car character and then click on the tick button. Oh no, the size of the car is too big. Let's reduce the size. To reduce the size of the car, click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, the shrink block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it 4 times. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. Our car character has reduced in size. Now, click on the car character, drag and place it above the number 2. Number 2 is now hidden in the background. Let's move on to the number 3. What about adding a ball character to hide number 3? Yes, alright. Click on the plus sign on the left and let's search through the different characters to find the ball character. Here it is. Click on the pink ball and click on the tick button. Click drag and place the ball character over the number 3. The ball is a bit bigger in size, so let's reduce it. From the already selected purple looks block, click on the third block, shrink block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it twice. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. So the number 3 is also hidden in the background. When I think of the number 3, the first thing that comes into my mind is about the 3 primary colors. Yes, there are 3 primary colors from which we get all the other colors. Other colors can be obtained by mixing the primary colors. The 3 primary colors are red, yellow and blue. The next number is 4. Let's select another ball character. Click on the plus sign on the left. Click on the basketball character and then click on the tick button. Let's click drag and place the basketball character over the number 4. Since the size is a bit bigger, let's click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, the shrink block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it once. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. Number 4 is also hidden. Now it's time to hide the number 5. But before that, I'm sure you might have seen the Olympic logo. But have you noticed the number of rings present in the logo? Well, there are 5 rings in the Olympic logo. Now, let's select the football character to hide 5. Click on the plus sign on the left. Click on the football character and then click on the tick button. Let's place the football over 5. Click drag and place the football here. Let's reduce the size. Click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, string block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it once. Drag and drop it away from the workspace. Which number comes after 5? Yes, number 6. Let's hide the number 6 using a table. Click on the plus sign on the left to open the character list. Let's click on this yellow table and click on the tick button. Click drag and place the yellow table over 6 and hide it. Yay! Number 6 is also hidden. The next number is 7. 7 is placed on a rectangular notice board. So let's create another rectangle notice board to hide the number 7. Click on the plus sign on the left and click on the blank background. Click on the paintbrush tool. The notice board is rectangular in shape and is blue in color. So click on the rectangle shape on the left and then click on the blue color from the color available. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle. To fill the color inside, click on the Fill Color tool on the right. Since the blue color is already selected, click inside the rectangle. Our notice board is almost complete. Let's change the name of the character. Click on the white text box and remove the text character using the delete key or backspace key on the keyboard. Type the character name as notice board and then click on the tick button. Click on the notice board and drag and place it over the already existing notice board. The number 7 is now hidden. We have reached the number 8. Number 8 is placed on a globe. I'm sure you might have seen a globe. But do you actually know what a globe is? A globe is a round, miniature model of the Earth. So, that's what our Earth looks like. So, to hide the number 8, let's select the character Earth from the character list that resembles the globe in our background. Click on the plus sign on the left to open the character list. Click on the Earth character and then click on the tick button. The size of the Earth is a bit too big. So let's reduce the size. Click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, the string block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it thrice. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. Now, click drag and place the Earth over the globe and the number 8. Let's move on to the number 9. But before that, just have a look at the football placed above the number 9. We have hidden the number 5 using the football. But the football looks as if it is floating in the air. Let's add a stand to place the football. We could also hide the number 9 using the same stand. That's a great idea, right? Click on the plus sign on the left. Let's click on this night table and click on the tick button. Click drag and place the night table over the number 9. Don't you think the size of the night table is a bit big? To reduce the size, click on the purple looks block and click on the third block, string block. Drag it to the workspace and click on it twice. Drag and drop the block away from the workspace. Let's adjust the position of the football and the night table accordingly. Finally, we have reached the last number on our list, number 10. Number 10 is placed on the whiteboard. Let's create a character like the rectangular whiteboard. The steps are similar to how we created the notice board to hide the number 7. Click on the plus sign on the left and click on the blank character. Click on the paintbrush tool. Now, to draw the rectangular whiteboard, click on the rectangle shape on the left and click on the white color from the colors available. Click drag and draw a rectangle on the canvas. The rectangle draw is not clear as we used white color to draw it. Now, to fill the color, click on the Fill Color tool on the right. Since the white color is already selected, just click inside the rectangle. Our rectangle whiteboard is almost complete. Click on the white text box and remove the text character using the delete key or backspace key on the keyboard. type the character name as whiteboard. Finally, click on the tick button. Let's click drag and place the whiteboard character we created on already existing whiteboard and over the number 10. Hooray! We have finally hit all the numbers from 1 to 10, which were placed in our classroom background in the previous session. Now, let's watch all that we created in today's session in the full screen mode. Click on the full screen icon on the top of the stage. Hooray! All the numbers are hidden using different characters. Next, we need to create animations to show the hidden numbers as we click on the characters we used to hide them. Let's learn that in the next session. For now, click on the exit full screen icon on the top left corner of the screen. To save the project, click on the home icon. Ta-da! We have finally saved the project we created. Wow, you have done a great job. We finally added 10 different characters to hide these numbers. Now we have to animate these characters such that when we tap on them, they hide and finally reveals the number. As you know, the aim of our game is to? Yes, the aim of our game is to find the hidden numbers. We will be continuing the most exciting part, the animation, in the next session. Until then, bye!